Hey beautiful, handsome and my little cute ones. This is Asha watching Hanveju channel. Today I'm sharing the recipe of cashew rice or cashew pulav. Let's get started. Firstly, in a cooker add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, half tablespoon of mustard seeds, half tablespoon of jeera, bay leaf and cinnamon, 2 ilachi, peppercorns half tablespoon, and 5 to 4 cloves. Fry well and add green chili 5 to 6. Later add onion and fry well, and before onion please add the curry leaves. Fry this well and saute the onion well. Later you can add the ginger and garlic paste and saute well. Add 1 tomato. After the tomatoes are cooked well, you can add the cashew paste. The cashew paste can be done either soaking the cashew or you can do the cashew paste immediately. So I'm adding the cashew paste. Fry well till the oil is separated. You can notice that the oil is being separated from the veggies. Now it's time to add the rice. I have taken 2 cups of rice and 4 cups of water. Let me give a mix. Later I'll just add the water. As I said, 2 cups of rice and 4 cups of water. Salt as per the taste and close the lid. Let it cook for 2 whistles and the cashew pulao or rice will be ready to serve. I hope you liked this video. Meet you in the next video. Till then, take care of your health. This is Asha signing off. Namaste.